and back.
The mum keeps running off.
No, they don't sound upset.
I don't know if you can hear actually, there's bells. Over there somewhere. I don't know if you can hear. So today we're going to go to the seaside, but it's not hot enough to go in the. It's not hot enough to go in the sea, so I've got a towel to make her mum think that we're going to go in the sea when we go there. So see her reaction.
Она мокрая.
Она берет с собой на море. Купаться пойдет.
Вы что?
Said you're gonna go for a swim, she's going.
Ты их с собой берешь?
Да. For a swim.
She gonna let me go for a swim.
Он хочет в море идти купаться.
Ну ты что, ты получишь воспаление легких.
You will get a lung infection. Are you crazy?
Действительно. А твое полотенце мокрое?
Это полотенце, это его полотенце.
Его полотенце надо сухое дать.
She was telling me off.
Do you want dry полотенце?
Oh, I love her. She was telling me off because I haven't got enough. So much she haven't told me off because I'm wearing a shirt.
I just said like you've been doing the same. Kisha. Oh, you miss it. You were proper like running and like, oh hi.
He's already been on your hand, hasn't he?
Yeah, hi.
Gotcha. We're all going on a. Actually, it's quite sunny. Sunny holiday. Subtitles here.
No, discussing weather.
I knew we'd discuss the weather. How cold it is to your mum. Yeah, let's go. Where are we going? Jurmala. So I'm going to drive there. I remember where we're going. I think I should be able to get there. So far, I've been driven everywhere without any guidance from our 5-star guide.
My mum said same as last time.
Same as last time, yeah. Where am I going? Same as last time. So let's go.
Mamas, Guinness.
Hello.
Here we are. It didn't take us long, did it?
Half an hour?
Yeah, about half an hour. That's with traffic though.
Traffic,
Yeah, I'll have a look at them. Show you the map. So that's the map there. And that little red circle, which I'm going to zoom in, is where we are. So that's where we are there. You can see that. And that's the entire size of the beach. It's it's obviously off peak here for us now, because it's coming into winter. But in the summer, it's incredibly busy here, and you get a lot of oh, look at this!
Head in his pocket.
Look at this! Look at that! Yeah, all the sweets. Spasibo.
Mama.
Yeah, in the summer it's nuts here. It's really nice. It's really hot as well. But also in the winter. Spasibo. Yeah, and in the winter, it's still popular in the winter as well, mind, because all the sea freezes to about 100 metres out to sea, and everyone walks on the sea, which is really cool. But her mum hates it when I walk on the sea, as you can imagine. I don't know what you give me, but it was terrible. What is that?
No.
Horrible. It's sort of like a wafer.
Crab.
Crab. I just like crab sweet.
It's called crab. Right, is it?
I need to record on this side so I can get everyone in. Oh, they turned the phone off. The fountain. So what's she say? What's she say?
Raspberries.
Oh, raspberries.
250.
Oh, there's some raspberries.
Little thing, 250.
Do you want some? Oh. I'll have some.
Come on, shoot.
Shoe what?
Go find me amber.
Yeah, sure.
I'm sure I didn't even touch more.
Your mum thinks I'm still not going for a swim.
Take a wave.
It's,
Go jump through the waves.
it's little waves. Really?
My mum said where to go to find amber, so you're gonna go and find me amber.
Yeah? We could move here and just mine amber.
Yeah, you.
Калининград, там у них, вот надо менять вот это.
They're going to have a photograph. Photographer?
She wants on her phone because on our phones it's not good enough.
Oh.
Together, wait, together.
Want to give me some? Why? I'd give it a sweet. Give it a sweet. Go on. Look, he's waiting. Very disappointed he looks.
Yeah, no, that's good. It's sweet. Oh, what are you giving? What are you giving?
And me? And me?
Oh, look, toilet left.
What? Through the ring?
You see toilet over there? I think it was wind and
Oh,
it's
yeah.
broke whole thing.
There's a toilet over there. Just a random toilet. It's really warm, considering the time of year. My hair. Look at it. My bloody hair.
It's your fault.
It's really bizarre how warm it is.
Yeah, I expected colder.
You can literally take your top off and you'll be fine. It's a little bit windy, but other than that, the wind's even the wind's warm. Considering that there is the Baltic Sea. It smells fresh. Look at the sky. My bloody stupid hair. Look at my hair.
What are you moaning about?
About my stupid. Look at my hair.
Look at my hair. Come
Yeah, look at my hair. You got loads of it.
My mum
I just got one.
They had like my mum.
I just got one piece of it. I look like a moron.
If you will wear hats, then you want to.
Shush. Yeah. Oh, look at them. There's loads
I
of them.
would look. Oh, these ones I love. Crinkly ones.
Seashells by a seashore. Any amber next to the wood? Not all the wood.
My mum said.
It's mental. I'm gonna collect some.
What's it?
They plotted something in three.
What's it?
Very pretty. Like central or whatever. Yeah, sure. It's really weird seeing seagulls by the sea. Normally they're in bins.
Usually cars somewhere, not here.
I don't know if you can see the sand there. It's gone incredibly windy now. Yeah. We're so slow they had to turn around and come back for us. All the seaweed. Ah. There's all creatures of the night in here. You can just about make out the ship.
And then back.
My mum keeps running off.
So I don't sound upset.
I don't know if you can hear actually, there's bells. Over there somewhere. I don't know if you can hear. Yeah. You should be able to hear. You can hear my buddy breathing when I'm recording. As we're walking along, I noticed there's bones everywhere, as well as trees and shells. There's bloody bones everywhere. Dogs would love it here, wouldn't they? Yeah. So we've just been in the woods making babies. No, I've been taking loads of photos. It's very rare we get an opportunity to take photos. So, especially in such a beautiful place. Unfortunately, it's drained most of my battery now. Hey. Yeah, Mum's walked up and down the beach like 1,000 times. Not literally the whole beach, Jesus Christ. But she's been getting her steps in. So last time we seen her, she was 2,000 steps. So whilst we've been taking photos, let's find out how many steps she's at. Yeah, it looks like there's a nice storm coming over there.
She said, oh, black.
How many steps? As you can see, Genna's over there with his mates on his own. Poor Genna. So what's it like here in the summer?
You've been here in the summer.
I know, but
So it's exactly the same.
But they haven't been here in the summer, have they? Apparently it's exactly the same in the summer.
Yeah, but it's the same when you've been here. Hard, right? I don't know.
Well,
I
it's
don't
like
live here for 12 years.
Yeah, it's normally like stalls along the whole length of the beach. Oh, sorry, my battery's died. Yeah, so there's like stands, not stalls, and stalls as well, across the whole length of the beach. Different stalls and stands with different music, because it's that big. And this whole beach is just full of people pretty much partying. It's really cool. Look how thick it is compared to the path.
Mum.
Walking in the step.
Your baby. Oh.
Don't die. Just gotta get down, yeah?
Oh, so I'm gonna
come
come
down
down here. And that brings it. Especially when we jump on your back.
Whew. So now, sorry, I come that side so I can see you as well. We're gonna go, well, have a rest apparently, and then we're gonna go for some food. We're proper worn out, look.
Huh?
So we're all proper worn out.
Sit down.
Don't ask your parents. You wanna go for food and chai?
Сможешь что-то там? Не посмотрю. Дай, там которая здесь наша. Я говорю, если только что-то для себя найдешь там. He said, yes, if she can find anything for her to eat there. She said, yeah, she will.
Yeah, do you want to go up there? Have chai? Okay, let's go. We're going on a little adventure in the woods again. That's what we do, yeah. It's a little, well, that. I suppose there's another place Sim used to come and drink when she was young.
No, I haven't. Come down.
We're going to have photos. We're going to take some photos, yeah. It's quite cool. So, that's where we're going to go every time we come here. we always come to this restaurant. There's our hire car. That's where we're going to go. There's another place over there, and there's one next to it as well, but we've never been in them.
What?
We've never been in. Oh, I just almost killed myself. We've never been in here, have we?
I would laugh.
So I'm recording. 2 cents. So I got potato pancakes.
She's stealing. She's stealing. She's stealing. So she can't eat, but she's taking it. She's not allowed.
Simmered pancakes. Again, I got pancakes with meat in. And Besma, she's going to have some fish. So we're just waiting for the fish. We're eating half. She's watching us eat. Poor love her. Also waiting for a fish. The fish has finally arrived. Besma, yum. Looks amazing.
It's still not bad. It's 15 euros for this portion.
What's that?
15 euros for this fish, like whatever is special fish from river.
She's got to be careful what she eats, see, because she can't have anything fried, so they've had to grill that. And I was the only one on the menu that was grilled. Enjoy it? Meh. Oh, just me. I enjoyed the food. The fish looked amazing. I don't like fish, but it looked incredible. But the service was crap, to be honest with you. Maybe because it's off season, I don't know. But last time we were there, the service seemed to be a lot better. However, every time we order, they never bring the order out as one. It always comes out individually. Like, we all practically finished our food before Vegman had the fish. Going this way. Did you enjoy? I know.
Yeah, she really enjoyed.
I know she did, yeah.
Ryba.
Riba.
Fish.
So, travel back home now.